Alright guys. Alright. Sorry it's been a little iffy here making films, but here's my Echo 620 with a 372 carb. I haven't had with fire restrictions and all, I've just been not able to go out and make as much videos as I like, but here we are and we'll see how it runs. I'll go over everything and let's just make some cuts right now, right? Yeah, I can't get the camera set up too good right now, and sorry if you can't see the whole cut, but I'm not, timing anything, and right now, wait till after I get everything dialed and get it to the way I want it, then we'll go from there. That is the weirdest. Oh, it's got to be a weed. I was like, wow, I'm pulling. It runs smoother, but as far as it being faster, I don't know if that's necessarily the case. Making more power, I'm sure it's making a little bit more power, but is that going to translate into the cut? And it's hard to tell exactly, but like I said, it runs smoother. I'm still working on it. Well, I'm gonna get out of here because let's get to that time, right? But let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. And I did tell someone I was gonna give them a spacer. Can't remember your name right off the top of the head, but I had some problems with it, and I figured it was possibly the spacer, so I didn't want to, send you something that was going to be a piece of shit. So anyways, I'm going to get a couple of them made, and you'll be the first one to get one, and don't worry about it, brother. Anyways, let's get out of here, call it a day.